Booking a flight online with Cebu Pacific is a simple and quick process. First, open your browser and go to the Cebu Pacific official website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search form where you can enter your flight details. Choose whether you're booking a one way or round trip flight. Then select your departure and destination cities. After that, fill in your travel dates and the number of passengers. Once everything is filled out, click the search button to see available flights. When the list of flight appears, take your time to choose the one that fits your schedule and budget. You can filter flights by time, price, and number of stops to make your search easier. Once you have selected your preferred flight, you'll be prompted to choose any extras like additional baggage or seat selection. These are optional, but you might want to consider them for added comfort. Next, you'll enter passenger details, such as names, contact information, and any necessary travel documents. If you're flying internationally, make sure to double check the information to avoid any issues. After entering the details, you'll proceed with the payment page. Cebu Pacific offers various payment options, including credit or debit cards, online banking, and more. Select your preferred method and complete this payment. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket. You can print it or keep it on your phone to show when checking in at the airport. Now that you know how to book a flight online with Cebu Pacific, it's time to get started on your next trip. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. If you have any questions or need help with booking, feel free to drop a comment below. Safe travels.